Okay, here we go. Session 2. Favorite launch, cat launch, really good. And yeah, this launch is going really well. And I like the nice quick key. And it's just something more about for when we move on to a four-way. I hope you don't mind. I'm using this as a bit of an ongoing training as well. See here, Sandra, how you're higher than Barbara as you come through the door. Not a problem in the two-way stuff, but if we were going to be spinning block 22 or something at that point, I'd rather see you, Sandra, a little bit lower. Yeah, just something to be aware of. Okay, so this is the learning phase. Okay, already here, Sandra's got the shorter turns on this, doing a really nice job of the short turn, Sandra. And then as you come into the long turn, watch, I'm going to put my cursor over your center point. See how you've backed up? Yeah, so you move, your center point moved from here all the way out to here, which means that Barbara has a longer way to get to it. The reason that this happens is it's not an in-place turn. Yeah, you're kind of twisting your hips around as you hold your upper body looking towards the center. So there's no chance for your body to spin like a propeller. And what I want to do here is just kind of use Barbara's turns as a bit of an example there. There you go, there's a longer turn there. So as Barbara does her long turn, she, she engages upper and lower body. And the center point is staying a little more still. So just something to be aware of, Sandra. Really good, I said, on the short turns, but on those long turns, really think about making your body like a propeller. When you're focusing on that, I see it happens more. Like there, I know it's time to leave now, but see on this one, that's an in-place turn. That's fantastic. All right, here we go. So now to the higher speed. Again, take a breath at this point. Ready, set, go. Very quick launch, very quick key. I like it. Starting the back up already. So we started here on this line coming through the door, and then we start to slide further and further over into this side. And that is because of, Sandra, sorry to keep giving you a hard time about this, but I feel like we need to keep your spine straighter and we need to keep your turns more balanced. This is really good practice for you because as inside center, Sandra, you don't get to do a lot of these longer turns. And there we go. That was a good full turn there on that one. But feel like your upper body, I know I shouldn't keep using Barbara as a good example, but I should. We've done a lot of work on this, and you can see how as Barbara moves out and in, her upper body, look at this, her upper body is taking her this way, her lower body this way. So we get that real in-place turn around the center point. There you go, that's better, Sandra, keeping this body straighter, I like that. Yeah, but just feel, one thing I do is I kind of check in with my elbows a little bit. That's getting better. You can see how on the good turns, how you can feel your elbows are engaged on the wind, like the blades of a propeller. Fun, okay.